In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate the concept of future incremental term conversions over time for your clients and prospects. Clients fear the unknown, so we want to use Cifico animations to relieve that fear and show them what the future might look like. Now, with Cifico, you want to use animations in layers. They get more complex over time, or they go from problem to solution. There's a few layers missing here, but I just want to get to the heart of it. So here we are on the animation screen. How did I get to the animation screen? I took some life insurance illustrations, put them on the client manager, press play. All the data has been transposed. So we have a 30-year-old, 20-year term, $1 million in death benefit. That dictates the circumference of the circle. Before I play this animation, I went to the highlight reel. I just want to play the key years. You might play these at slower paces or do different things, but I'm choosing to do age 30, 31, and 49 to 60. So it'll just play those years. So I want the client to take a look at this. Okay, you have a term policy. The premium is $570 a year. You pay that premium, and it supports this 20-year $1 million death benefit. Now you age. You're age 31. You're going to do the same exact thing. So the premiums are level. They're not going up or down. The death benefit is level. That circle's not expanding or contracting. Now we're going to age you rapidly to 49, the last year that this policy will be around. If you didn't convert it or die, you would pay your $570 in premiums. It would support it. And then at the end of that year, it would go away. And if you wanted more coverage, you'd have to go into underwriting again here at age 50 or 51. So again, this will go away. Now I have a second animation behind this because I want to tell them that we want to convert this bit by bit over time. So I'm going to click on the next animation. It looks very similar, but it is different. And we're not going to play this one long format. We're going to actually stop motion through it, but let's play it again. It's familiar. There's some repetition. That's a good thing. They pay $570 to support that $1 million term contract, and I'm showing them converting to converting 100,000 every other year or so. So now we have 100,000 in permanent insurance. There's the difference in premium. You can pause these at different points and have different asides with your clients. But now this term insurance is going to reduce. So we're holding the same $1 million in coverage just now between two policies rather than one. So I'm going to reset this, and I'm not going to play this long format. I am going to stop motion it, which means I have it on pause, and I'm just going to hit the skip ahead. So as we age, Mr. and Mrs. Client, watch the term insurance. Every few years, we convert a little bit of it to permanent insurance. That term goes down, that perm goes up. There are many policies in that permanent insurance. With Cifico, you can group all of them or itemize them. I've grouped them. And now here we are at age 50, that last 200,000 that we didn't convert to this side of the ledger, right, goes away, just like in the last animation. But what we did convert, and we did these conversions without showing proof of insurability, what we did convert now, we have 800,000 in death benefit, circumference of the circle, 200,000 in cash, the blue growing inside the circle. And if we look back on the past here, we can show as we lowered the term without showing proof of insurability, we built up and converted the permanent portfolio. And then, of course, you can take this to the next level. You could play this out, or you can have another animation that, more specifically drills down on their details. And why I say that is because I don't create this kind of future conversion animation for each client. I did in the client manager. I have a client called Future Conversions, and this is just a concept client, so to speak. So I have the same thing for someone in their 20s, someone in their 30s, their 40s, and their 50s over time. And when the point in the meeting comes up where I feel like they should see how we're converting things bit by bit over time, I will bring this concept client up and show it to them. If you want, you can create this for each person, but I like these concepts are good here, and then you can go back to the nitty-gritty with other animations with your clients and your prospects. So you might notice that I've done this all in one take, but that's not because I'm some great speaker. It's just the animations lend themselves to storytelling and articulate speech. If you like this, maybe it'll work for you in your practice or for the advisors that you oversee. If you have any questions, reach out. Until next time, good luck at your next meeting.